Good morning, students. Before class, we discussed some portion of solutions, molarity, the number of moles of solute present, the number of moles of solute present in per liter volume of solution, per liter volume of solution. Then molarity is equal to moles of solute, volume of the solution. So that is equal to N by volume, number of moles, volume of the solution in liters. Here N is equal to weight of the solute, molar mass of the solute. Now N value implement here. So therefore M is equal to W by M molar mass, weight of the solute, molar mass of the solute, and value of the solution. Or we can write W into 1000 by MO, volume of the solution. Then if you find the weight, if you want to find the weight, then weight is equal to molarity into molar mass into volume of the given solution. So this is about molarity. So what are the units for molarity? Moles per liter. Moles per liter. So that is equal to mole into liter inverse form. So this is about molarity. Molarity. Now we will discuss about molality. We will discuss about molality. So molarity, this is molarity and this is molarity. So this is also one of the concentration term. The number of moles, present in kilogram or kg, present in kilogram of the solvent, kilogram of the solvent is called molality, So this is molarity. It is the present in per liter volume of the solution. Here per kilogram of the solvent we have to take, of the solvent. What is the definition for molality? The number of moles present in kilogram of the solvent. Kilogram of the solvent is called molality. Now molality is equal to moles of solute by moles of solute. Here moles of solute, molarity is moles of solute by volume of the solution. Here moles of solute. Here molarity is equal to moles of solute by weight or mass of the solvent in gram or in kg. moles of solute by mass of the solvent. Mass of the solvent. So here, look here. Compare these two: molarity, molarity. Molarity, moles of solute by volume of the solution. Here molarity means moles of the solute by mass of the solvent in kg. Here volume of the solution in per liter. Volume of the solution in liter. Here mass of the solute you have to take per kg. Here molarity. Molarity small m. Molarity, it is denoted by small m. So moles of solute n by mass of or weight of the in kg. Here m is equal to n by W by MO into weight in kg. So here this is equal to number of moles. Number of moles is equal to here n is equal to, since n is equal to weight by molar mass of the solute. Weight by molar mass of the solute. So it is in kg. For example, in grams, if solvent present in grams, then the formula will be W into 1000 molar mass into W bar. So this is the final formula of the molarity. So here, what is the definition for molarity? The number of moles present in kilogram of the solvent. Kilogram of the solvent is called molarity. So molarity is equal to moles of solute by mass of the solvent, or then molarity is equal to n by W in kg. So here number of moles is equal to, already you know, weight of the solute by molar mass of the solute. Therefore molarity is equal to weight of the solute by molar mass of the solute into weight of the solvent, or mass of the solvent in kg. So if weight of the solvent given in grams, so we have to convert into kg. In that purpose, you have to multiply with 1000. Then the final formula of the molarity is equal to weight of the solute into 1000 by molar mass of the solute into weight or mass of the solvent. So this is the concern of solvent mass, and this one is related to weight or mass of the solute. So compare these two. It is very important. Molarity and molarity. Molarity is in volume. Molarity is in grams or kilograms. So the difference between molarity and molarity. So here units also. Units. Moles mole per kilogram or kg, mole per kg or grams. So the number of moles of solute present in per liter volume of the solution is called molarity. The number of moles present in kilogram of the solvent is called molarity. Okay, it's clear. Next, have to take one problem to better understand. Calculate the molarity of 2.5 problem. Calculate molarity of 2.5 grams of 2.5 grams of ethanoic acid in ethanoic acid. What is the formula of ethanoic acid? CH3COOH. Ethanoic acid in present in 75 grams of benzene. 75 grams of benzene. This is the problem. Calculate molarity of 2.5 grams of ethanoic acid in 75 grams of benzene. 75 grams of benzene. So here molar mass. First we have to find the molar mass of the solute. Here what is the solute? Solute is ethanoic acid. Benzene is the solvent. Okay. So solution. First we have to find molar mass. Molar mass of C2H4O2. How many carbons? 2 carbons. How many hydrogens? Here 3. Here 1. Total 4. Oxygens 2. So this is the molecular formula of the ethanoic acid. Is equal to carbon is 12 into how many are there? 2 plus hydrogen 1 into 4 plus oxygen 16 into 2. How much is total? 60. 12 to 24 plus 28 plus 32. 28 plus 32, 60 grams. 60 grams. So then moles of solute you have to find. Moles of solute is equal to, what is the formula? Weight of the solute by molar mass of the solute. So that is equal to, what is the weight given here? 2.5 grams. So what is the molar mass of the solute? That is 60 grams. So now what will be the answer? 0.417 moles. 0.417 moles. So next, now we have to find the molarity. Molarity is equal to what are the Molarity is equal to, what is the formula? Moles of solute by mass of the solvent. Mass of the solvent. So here mass of the solvent, how it is given? Grams here given. So you have to convert this into kg. So before going to calculate molarity, you have to convert these grams into kilograms. Mass of solvent is equal to mass of the solvent is equal to. So what is the solvent here? Benzene. Here mass of the solvent is equal to 75 grams. This will be into 1000 kg. So that is equal to, how it will become 75 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. Okay. Then now molarity is equal to moles of solute by mass of solvent in kg. So that is equal to moles of solute, how much it is? 4. What is the formula? W into 1000 by molar mass into mass of the solvent. Now weight is equal to, this will be K, 0.417 into 1000 by 75 kg. So what is the final answer? 0.556 moles per kg. So this is the answer. So now you understand. So molarity, if you want to calculate the molarity of the solution, so you must find the molar mass of the solute, then mass of the solvent. If mass of the solvent given in grams, you have to convert it to kg. Okay. So then finally you can calculate the molarity by using this formula. So this is about molarity. So what is the definition for molarity? The number of moles present in kilogram of the solvent. It is denoted by small m. Then molarity is equal to, mathematically molarity is equal to moles of the solute by mass of the solvent in kg. Then molarity small m is equal to n by W, that is mass of the solvent in kg. Okay, so understand this one. Next we will move on to the next concentration term. So that is ppm. ppm means parts per million. ppm. Suppose a solute is in trace quantity. Trace means very lesser quantity. Very lesser quantity. We will this method of concentration term. This method is suitable for the calculate the concentration of the solution. A solute is present in trace quantities. So it is convenient to express the concentration. Write down, this is very important point. A solute, if solute present in trace quantity, it is the convenient method of expression concentration. It is the convenient method express concentration. It is the convenient method to express the concentration in ppm. ppm means parts per million. ppm means, what is the ppm meaning? Parts per million. Now it is also available in 3 different types. ppm weight by volume, and ppm volume by volume, and ppm weight by weight. So this is temperature independent concentration term, and these two are temperature dependent concentration term. Why it is called temperature dependent? So here volume will be there. So volume is related to temperature. Okay. So then now ppm weight by volume. Definition for ppm weight by volume. So what is the definition? Weight of the solute. Here it is related to weight of the solute. Weight of solute by volume of the solution. In milliliters into million. Million means 10 to the power of 6. So this is the definition for ppm weight by volume. Next to ppm volume by volume is equal to volume of the solute by volume of solution in milliliters into million, that is 10 to the power of 6, 10 to the power of 6. So this is about ppm. When a solute present in trace quantity, so this method of expressing concentration is convenient. It is the convenient method when a solute present in trace quantity or very lesser quantity. It is the convenient method. So ppm is, what is the meaning of ppm? Parts per million. Parts per million. So this is in 3 types. ppm you can express in 3 methods: ppm weight by volume, ppm weight by weight, and ppm volume by volume. ppm weight by weight, it is a temperature independent concentration term. So these two terms, ppm weight by volume, ppm volume by volume, so these two concentration terms are related to temperature dependent concentration terms. Then definition for the ppm weight by volume is equal to weight of solute by volume of solution into 1 million, that is equal to 10 to the power of 6. Then ppm volume by volume, so that is equal to volume of the solute by volume of solution into 10 to the power of 6. 10 to the power of 6. This is about ppm. The next concentration term, mole fraction. In next class we will discuss that one tomorrow. So tomorrow is the New Year. So I wish you a very new